Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfortBilt pellet stove and it's giving you like a squeaking or a chirping noise from the auger area that feeds the pellets. So a squeaking or a chirping noise usually means that you've either got a buildup of sawdust and moisture in that auger housing, or you have some kind of debris such as like a nail or screw or something got mixed in with the pellets and now it's gone down into that auger, and one of those things, and now it's squeaking through there. Or it could be that one of the bearings on the auger has gotten broken up or fallen apart or is degrading or something like that. So some things you might do to solve this problem are, if the buildup is not too severe, you might just be able to like knock and tap on the auger housing and get some of that, just debris and dust and everything to come out. So if you have like a rubber mallet or a block of wood or something like that, you can get inside the hopper, get to the top of the housing, and just kind of bang on it. And at times there can be a buildup at the top of the chute, which can cause some squeaking. By running a long rod or a metal coat hanger up the pellet chute, you can agitate loose any buildup or debris that might have accumulated in there. So once you've knocked loose any excess buildup or debris, you can sprinkle some graphite powder into the hopper with about half load of pellets and let them feed through the auger system during normal operation. If there's a severe amount of stuff built up in the auger, it might need to be removed from the stove to be opened up and properly cleaned, and to check if the bearings are still good and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's what's going on if your auger is squeaking on your ComfortBilt pellet stove. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.